Introduction to C++ Programming, a beginner's guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of programming with an introduction to C++. If you are a beginner looking to learn one of the most widely used and powerful programming languages out there, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Before we dive into writing our first C++ program, let's understand what C++ is all about. C++ is a high-level programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It provides object-oriented programming features along with the ability to write low-level code for better control over system resources. C++ is used in a wide range of applications, including game development, system programming, and creating complex software. Learning C++ will give you a strong foundation for other languages like Java and C#. Now, let's dive into writing our first C++ program. A C++ program starts with the "main" function, which serves as the entry point. Let's write a simple, hello, world, program. Using C++, it means a platform and tools for writing and executing the programming codes. Integrated Development Environment. Available integrated development environment software for C++. Code, Blocks, Eclipse, NetBeans, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, Atom, CodeLite, Sublime Text, and CLion. Online editor is Programmer's C++ Online Compiler. The link is given in the description below. Write the following code in the IDE. Hashtag include int main, std, quote less than, hello world, return 0. First, we include the IOStream header file, which provides input and output functionalities. Then, we declare the main function with the return type of int. Inside the main function, we use the quote object from the std namespace to display the hello world message on the screen. And there we have it. A hello world program in C++. Let's run it and see the output. As you can see, the program displays hello world on the console. Congratulations on writing your first C++ program. Now that you've got a taste of C++, let's quickly cover some important concepts you'll encounter as you continue learning. Variables. In C++, we use variables to store and manipulate data. Each variable has a type, such as int, float, or string, and a name. Data types. C++ provides various data types, including integers, floating point numbers, characters, and booleans, among others. Understanding these types will help you work with different kinds of data. I will explain these in the next upcoming video. Control flow. C++ allows us to control the flow of execution with conditionals, like if statements, and loops, like for and while loops. These constructs help us make decisions and repeat actions as needed. Functions. In C++, we can define functions to break our code into reusable blocks. Functions take inputs, perform operations, and return outputs. Classes and objects. One of the key features of C++ is object-oriented programming. With classes and objects, we can create complex structures, encapsulate data, and define behaviors. These are just a few of the fundamental concepts you'll explore as you continue your journey with C++. Remember, practice is essential. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become. I hope this introduction to C++ has sparked your interest and given you a solid foundation to start your programming adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, happy coding!